Hello everyone and welcome to my New York apartment. So we moved in a few days ago actually, and everyone's been asking like, how did you find this place? Like, since it's such a competitive market for New York real estate. And we found this apartment on Street Easy on like a random Wednesday morning, and like an hour later we went to the open house. There was a few other people touring. We ended up loving it right away, so we applied. And it's really all about who gets their stuff in first, so make sure you do your research and have everything ready for when you view apartments. We applied, we got our acceptance like 2 or 3 days later, and then we set a move-in date. We moved in like 2 or 3 weeks later, so it's very, very quick, but it really is perfect. It is tiny, it's about 300 square feet. It's a 2-bedroom in the West Village, and we love it. It's perfect for us. Our street is like full of good restaurants and we're obsessed. Such a cute view. I'll show you guys everything, and please let me know if you have any questions on anything that I'm not linking down below. I also wanted to add that since I have this apartment now and a ton of more time on my hands since I'm not commuting from New Jersey anymore, I will definitely be uploading more videos for you guys. I'm so excited. I have so many ideas ready to go, and I'm so excited to film in this apartment. So stay tuned for that. I hope you all enjoy my little New York City apartment, and yeah, keep on watching. Walking in the front door, we have the kitchen to the right, and it's super tiny, but it's so cute. It's perfect for us too. So we have the drawers on top, which in this one we have our food, like our snacks and stuff. And then in this one we have our like glasses and plates. How cute are these little salt and pepper shakers? I'm obsessed. And then we have this cutting board that we keep on top of the stove because it's just easy. Like if we wash dishes, we put like a little drying mat on here, keep it on there. So over here we have this little island that we use to like cut our food on. It like rolls out, it's perfect. We keep our dish rags over here, oven mitts, there's like a little hook, and clearly we don't have a lot of counter space, so this was perfect. We keep our forks and knives and stuff in there. Down here we have our fruit bowl, just a cookbook, bread, and then down here we keep like Tupperware sandwich bags and stuff like that. And it's seriously so perfect. Like it was like made for this little spot. So we got this on Wayfair. And then we also got this rug from, I think, Target, maybe? The fridge is literally right here, but it's all good. The door opens completely fine. So we have the fridge here. We have our microwave and toaster on top, and we just plug it in whenever we're gonna use it, which isn't that often. So to the right of the fridge is this little breakfast nook area. And we got this little cart from Wayfair too, and these pull out, and we actually use these to eat on over by the couch too, so it's like a win-win. It's the cutest little thing. And in these drawers, we just kind of use them as like junk drawers because like we just needed a place for like miscellaneous stuff. Like, this also extends out in the back to be like a longer table, so if you ever have a lot of people over to eat or like want to set up like a cheese board or something, this is the spot to do it. Cute little plant from IKEA. This mirror is from Target, and it really opens up the room because of the window behind us. So this is my room. I'll go in there in a sec, and then that's Julia's room. Moving on to the living room, we got this rug from Rugs USA. I'll link everything down below. But we got this couch from Wayfair. I get so many questions about this couch. It is super nice, but we are a little stressed about it being white, so we just always lay like a blanket down every time we eat. But it looks so nice. It totally opens up the room. So we got the pillows from HomeGoods, and the art, which is my favorite part of the whole entire room, is some is from Desenio. This one here is Desenio, and the one next to it is Desenio. The rest are actually from Etsy, and we had them printed at like a random website that just like prints, and then we got the frames from Michaels. So it was definitely a struggle to figure out what we wanted here and how we wanted it to be all laid out, but I think it's perfect. We love it. Makes the room look a lot bigger too because it goes almost up to the ceiling, and we have like 10-foot ceilings since we're the top floor. So yeah, also really random, they put a outlet here, which I mean, typical New York. We got this lamp from Target. I love how it looks. So a plant from IKEA. We got this little tray to put our like remotes or like a drink or something from Target. This blanket is Restoration Hardware. It's so pretty. And then over here we have just this little wicker basket with like blankets, so if people ever sleep over, or like that's the blanket we put down when we eat. Just keep it all there, super cozy. Our view is just everything. I'm obsessed. I mean, those buildings are just like so cute. I love waking up to that every morning. So then panning over here, we have like the TV and the TV stand. This is like always what I was looking forward to decorating. So we mounted the TV obviously, and then we have a diffuser, Target, Tom Ford book. I think I honestly ordered this from Target too. Yeah, these are all like, this is Target, Diptyque, this is Jonathan Adler, Trader Joe's, Target. This is like all random. I think that's World Market, Target. And we still have to like decorate this part. I think we're gonna do like more books. So work in progress. So to the left of that is the bathroom. And it's so nice in the morning to take a shower because the natural light in here is just so good. You have that little window over there that opens. And then we put this like 3-tiered cart in the corner here. And that's like where we keep our toothbrushes, Q-tips, all that kind of stuff. And then we just keep like hair stuff, towels, little trash here. Under the sink storage. And then the mirror is my favorite part. This is where I keep all my skincare. And yes, it's a lot, but this is like my heaven every morning to do my skincare in here. Over here, we actually built this to go over our toilet, and it's seriously so perfect. Julia keeps her skincare in here, and we just keep like extra like Q-tips, cotton rounds, towels and stuff in these two. And then we have our shower, which this curtain is from Target. And in here, we just have this little shower caddy that keeps all our stuff. So, okay, so coming out of the bathroom, we'll go into my room. So this is my room. It's a little dark because the sun sets over there on this side, so I don't get the light from my window. But this is a little pan of the room. So I got this bed frame from IKEA, and it has a headboard, and then what I love most about it is that there are drawers underneath. So I keep like sweatshirts, leggings, stuff like that in there. Unfortunately, this one can't open because of the desk right here, but I don't keep anything in here, and if I did, it would just be stuff that like I don't reach for often. Bedding is from Target. All the pillows are from Target. This blanket is from HomeGoods. I wanted like a really clean black and white theme in here, so I got this rug from Amazon, and the art prints are all Desenio. Down here, I just got this stool from HomeGoods, and this wicker basket is from HomeGoods, and I just keep all my hair stuff in there. Looks a little crazy, but it's like my hair dryer, all my curling irons, and all my hair products. It's just easy to keep under there. This drawer is like makeup that I don't use every day, plus like my nightstand medications. So here I just keep like jewelry, body lotions, deodorant, just stuff that I didn't want like cluttered up here. So here I have my makeup mirror, which I brought from home. I love it. It's perfect. Could not live without that. And then here I put this shelf up from Target, and I just put like my perfumes, body lotion. These plants are from Target. And then this is like my everyday makeup, and then my brushes, and then a picture of me and Chris. I have my Alexa over there. Moving on to closet. This is what it looks like. It's pretty big. It's actually the same size as my closet at home. So we definitely lucked out on the closets, especially in New York. And in here, obviously, have all my clothes, my jeans, and then this we got from Target. It's like a hanging like drawer system, but at the bottom it has hooks to keep like dirty laundry in, because obviously we don't have enough room for a hamper. So that is like perfect to just throw dirty clothes in and then bring it to the laundromat. Shoes are down here, and it goes like pretty far back. It's pretty big. Up here I have 3 bins from Target. I have my bags and belts, laundry stuff, towels, and then up here I got these wicker bins from Home Goods, and I just keep extra travel bags and like cosmetic bags in there. This is extra makeup and like nail polish, skincare, just stuff that I have backstock of. And then here I just have my old work bag because I just switch on and off between 2 different ones. Then behind my door I just have a command hook for my towels and my robe. This IKEA mirror I still have to hang up. I don't know if I'm gonna like leave it on the floor or hang it up yet, but it's perfect for right now. I will show you guys Julia's room once she completes it. She's getting like a ton of art in, so she wants to like redo it and like get different pillows and stuff. So I will let her do that and then I will show you guys. But for now, this is the apartment. Yes, it's super tiny, but it's perfect. We love it. The area is amazing. I mean, you can't beat this like natural light, and we definitely made it work. I'm obsessed with it. I mean, it's just perfect for us 2 girls. And yeah. All right, so that is my apartment. I hope you all enjoyed. Again, let me know if you have any questions about anything you guys saw. Maybe I'll do like a Q&A, so if you have any questions about like what we needed for the apartment, how much this apartment is, anything like that, just ask your questions down below. Maybe I'll film a video on that. So yeah, bye guys.